Welcome to It's All About tutorial by Neneng. Our topic for today's video is all about number system. Let's begin learning. Number system part 2. What are the types of number systems? There are various types of number systems in mathematics. The four most common number system types are 1. Decimal number system, base 10. 2. Binary number system, base 2. 3. Octal number system, base 8. 4. Hexadecimal number system, base 16. 1. Decimal number system, base 10 number system. The decimal number system has a base of 10 because it uses 10 digits from 0 to 9. In the decimal number system, the positions successive to the left of the decimal point represent units, tens, hundreds, thousands and so on. This system is expressed in decimal numbers. Every position shows a particular power of the base, 10. Example of decimal number system. The decimal number 1457 consists of the digit 7 in the unit position, 5 in the tens place, 4 in the hundreds position, and 1 in the thousands place, whose value can be written as 1 times 1000, plus 4 times 100, plus 5 times 10, plus 7 times 1, 1000 plus 400 plus 50 plus 7 equals to 1457. Binary number system, base 2 number system. The base 2 number system is also known as the binary number system, wherein only two binary digits exist, 0 and 1. Specifically, the usual base 2 is a radix of 2. The figures described under this system are known as binary numbers, which are a combination of 0 and 1. Example of binary number system: 2 digits, 0 and 1. Every digit position has weight, which is a power of 2. Base or radix is 2. Example: 110 equals 1 times 2 to the power of 2 plus 1 times 2 to the power of 1 plus 0 times 2 to the power of 0. 101.01 equals 1 times 2 to the power of 2 plus 0 times 2 to the power of 1 plus 1 times 2 to the power of 0 plus 0 times 2 to the power of negative 1 plus 1 times 2 to the power of negative 2. Octal number system. Octal number system, base 8 number system. In the octal number system, the base is 8 and it uses numbers from 0 to 7 to represent numbers. Octal numbers are commonly used in computer applications. In computing environments, it is commonly used as a shorter representation of binary numbers by grouping binary digits into threes. Example of octal numbering system, base 8. Characters equals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 437 equals 4 times 67 plus 3 times 8 plus 7 times 1. Written as 437 or 437 eighths. Hexadecimal number system, base 16 number system. In the hexadecimal system, the numbers are first represented just like in the decimal system, from 0 to 9. Then, the numbers are represented using the alphabet from A to F. The hexadecimal system: 11 as B, 12 as C, 13 as D, 14 as E, 15 as F, and 16 as 10. Example of hexadecimal number system. The radix of 16. 16 symbols: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E, and F. Positional weights: 16 to the power of 3, 16 to the power of 2, 16 to the power of 1, 16 to the power of 0. Thank you for watching It's All About tutorial by Neneng. Please support my channel by like, follow and subscribe for more learnings.